I have been searching for a solution that would allow me to record with my cell phone from my point of view, hands free. And this cell phone holder that goes around your neck by Love 5 definitely fits the bill. You can assemble this without the gooseneck, which I find works best for angles that are looking down. Say you want to record yourself doing something on a countertop. You can also assemble this neck phone holder with the gooseneck, which I find is best for filming things that are straight ahead of you, hands free. I found that putting this together with either of these variations was straightforward and easy. I like that there is a neck rest pad that makes wearing this phone holder a lot more comfortable. The top of the neck loop also is bendable and moldable so that you can wear it comfortably based on your body shape. The mount for the phone on this holder also stretches to accommodate many different phone sizes, and it's easy to get your phone in and out. I also enjoy the fact that you can use your phone in both portrait mode and landscape mode. So, if you are looking for something to help you record your point of view with your phone hands free, I 100% recommend this next cell phone holder by Love 5.